Hi, today in our Uses for Sawdust series, we're going to make a simple pincushion out of the materials we see here. This is a great idea and a fun project if you have a child at home that likes to do crafty things, or you can make this as a great gift for a loved one. The items we're going to be using is the base, which is this little wood planter box right here. We have our sawdust, some cloth and some scissors, a couple of paint brushes, twisty tie, stick of glue and a hot glue gun, some paint, and a bottle of Mod Podge that we'll use as a sealant for our wood base. So those are the items that we're going to use, and we will get started. Okay, so our first step, we're going to apply what is called Mod Podge to our base unit to help seal the unit so that we can paint it later. We're going to put 2 coats onto this, and each coat will take about 15 to 20 minutes to dry before we'll be able to apply the second coat or paint. So that's what we're going to start out with. We'll do that now. Alright, now that we've had time to let the Mod Podge sealant dry, we've added our 2 coats. Now we're going to paint our box. You can paint this any way you want. You can place stickers on the side, any type of decoration. If you're good at putting lettering on stuff like that, you can add lettering to it. You can even stain this wood box with a wood stain if that's what you prefer, but there are many ways to decorate it. We've actually chosen to use a couple of colors that are similar to the cloth that we are going to use for our pincushion section. So this is what we'll do now. We'll go ahead and paint this and let it dry and then continue on. Okay, now that we have finished painting our base and have that ready to go, we're going to do the next step, which is putting the pincushion together and inserting it into the base. We've chosen to use a cloth that is kind of colorful, non-traditional sort of thing. This is just a bandana that we purchased at a craft store. To start off, we're going to fold it in half, as you can see, so that it's double layered, and then we're going to cut that in half right here. Once we've done that, we'll put some sawdust in, and then we bring the corners together like this. And we're going to use the twisty tie to tie that together. Okay, now that we've got our sawdust put into our cloth and we've tied that off with a twisty tie, we're going to go ahead and trim some of this extra cloth off around the bottom here. And just like that. Then we're going to use a hot glue gun and put some hot glue in here, and then we'll put our pincushion in there, and that will be the end of the project. So we have our hot glue gun, and just going to coat that on each side. Just like that. Go ahead and put our pincushion down in there. And there you have it, our finished pincushion project. Easy to do, pretty simple, and something you can do by yourself.